Okay. Okay, this is a test. Keep looking at the monitor. I have my iPad mounted above the camera. Okay, here we're just going to do some testing. I have my uwmic9 cell phone grip, and this works real good for putting your cell phone in there. Oops, well, I'm not going to jack with it. Anyway, I have this adapted to a 1/4 20 thread. It comes with the slot in there, and I use it. I'm actually using my monitor on top of the camera right now, but I have it rigged up with the GoPro mount, and as you can see, this has an extra slot in it right there. I put that in there like that, and then I can screw my GoPro adapter there. Let's just pretend that's it. And then I use that like that. And then you can just get crazy with all kinds of GoPro mounts, whatever you want to do. You can use it for a monitor. You can use it for your light. I also have this light that will hold a cell phone. So you could technically put this in there. You could technically, if I get rid of that, you could technically shoot like that. Now that's pretty cool, I think. But anyway, the main reason I like this, like I said, I put my GoPro mount on it. And then, well, of course this knob's in the way. I know I'm goofing around, this is just a test video. I need to put my other rubber washer in there. But anyway, you get the idea. You could use this as a mount. You could put a light, put a phone, monitor, anything you want in there. So this is just a test. This is my Olight flashlight S2R. I really do not like this light. There's a lot of problems with the end cap. The thing won't come on. You have to take it off, take the end cap off, wipe it off, clean it up. And this push button to activate the light, it is in the most stupid spot. You have to fumble around, and there's no way. Now here comes my cat. She won't let me take her picture, but she sure wants to be in the videos. Get in my way. Okay, this is just a sound test. See what the audio sounds like. Just a rough test. I like saying rough test. Trying to get used to looking at the camera instead of up at the monitor. Let's see, now I'm going to look at the monitor so I can see if I can see what I'm talking about, seeing if the focus works. I'm looking at the monitor. I don't know if you can see Sony on that. I don't know if that's refocusing. Might have to get really close. And I don't think it's focusing. Can you see the Olight? think it's struggling to focus. Okay, I guess that's enough of a test. Let's see what she looks like.